Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a closer look at a lightweight but surprisingly powerful upright vacuum that has quickly become one of Kenmore's most popular models, the Kenmore DU2015 Bagless Upright Vacuum in red. If you're searching for a vacuum that delivers strong suction, versatile tools, long reach, and simple maintenance without a heavy price tag, this one is definitely worth checking out. The DU2015 is designed around efficiency and ease of use. Even though it's lightweight, it packs impressive suction power capable of pulling dirt deep from carpets while still being gentle and effective on hardwood floors and tile. This makes it a great everyday cleaner for mixed surface homes. The 10-foot hose gives you expanded reach for cleaning stairs, shelves, ceiling corners, and tight spaces where an upright normally struggles. One of the biggest advantages of this model is that it's bagless and easy to maintain. The large dust cup empties quickly, and the built-in HEPA filter captures dust, pollen, and fine particles to help reduce allergens in your home. The filter system keeps the airflow strong even as the bin fills, so you get consistent suction throughout your cleaning session. Kenmore includes 4 specialized tools with the DU2015, giving you flexibility for almost any cleaning situation. You get a pet tool for upholstery and stubborn pet hair, a dusting brush for delicate surfaces, a crevice tool for corners and baseboards, and an extended wand attachment for above floor areas. Whether it's carpets, hard floors, furniture, or tight gaps, this vacuum is built to handle it. The lightweight frame and swivel steering make maneuvering simple, even around furniture or in small rooms. The bright red finish gives it a modern, energetic look, and the overall build quality feels durable enough for long-term use. If you want strong suction, useful attachments, allergen filtration, and easy maintenance all in one affordable package, the Kenmore DU2015 is a great choice. Check it out using the Amazon link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tune in daily for more Gadgetverse reviews.